Okay, so in this video, I will be introducing you guys to crypto wallets. And crypto wallets is basically where you keep your cryptocurrency, just as you would, keep your money in your wallet. You would keep your debit card, credit card in your wallet. Crypto wallets are where you keep your cryptocurrency, so you can keep your Bitcoins, a Litecoin, or Ripple, or whatever currency that you have at the moment. You can just keep it in your crypto wallet. So that's basically the basic idea of crypto wallets, and that's how it works. So if you can basically understand that idea, it's very simple moving forward. You want to start off by setting up your crypto wallet. There's various platforms that allow you to do that, and I will be going over one of my favorite platforms, which is Coinbase. That's the one that I recommend you guys setting up as well. But then there's various other wallets that you can actually put your money in. And throughout the setup process, you're going to want to connect your wallet with your bank account, because this is where you can use your bank account funds to actually purchase Bitcoin money. And eventually, sometime in the future, maybe a day from now, a week from now, you can actually sell those currencies and withdraw that money and use that money just as you would on a day-to-day basis. And going along with that, you can actually withdraw your money at any time. There's no set time for how long you have to own a cryptocurrency or for how long you can own a cryptocurrency. It's really up to you. You can buy and sell very quickly, or you can keep it for long term. It's really up to you. And obviously, like I said, different wallets serve different purposes. Some are more for short-term sales, so you want to buy and sell very quickly, passively, and make quick gains. Or you can do more of a long-term approach where you can actually buy a currency and just leave it for a couple of months or even years and then come back to it. And when you see that the value is high enough, you can actually withdraw it and start using it just as you would. So it's really up to you. And some have lower fees, some have higher fees, and then some have easy access through mobile, and then some are basically on hard disk and on your computer, which make it harder to access. But those are more for long term and they're much more secure. And once you've chosen your wallet and your wallet is all set up, you can actually start trading instantly, transfer your funds over to your wallet and start buying cryptocurrencies, selling cryptocurrencies, and all that stuff. And these wallets can be used to exchange on many different platforms. And what I mean by this is, maybe this won't be as easy to understand at the moment, but wallet is where your currencies are at, and with those currencies you can actually send them to various platforms and you can start buying these cryptocurrencies. So think of wallets as your wallet and these platforms as different stores where you can buy these currencies. So that's basically the basic concept of crypto wallet. It's very basic, and I'll see you in the next one.